I'm videotaping now. Are you gonna open your Christmas Eve present?
Open, open.
Is that Santa's cookie? Oh boy.
Well, you did. You said I can eat it.
Oh, now you're gonna put all the blame on me, huh? You know, I told you about the great Christmas disaster of '78 when I ate Santa's cookies. I don't want anything to do with the evidence.
You're putting it back?
Can you open my present now?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm pretty sure Santa doesn't like half nibbled on cookies either. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Ezra. Merry Christmas. And it's your birthday, too, so Merry Christmas, Happy birthday.
Amazing Christmas decoration!
Ooh, pretty.
Hey, it's a minty Christmas decoration. Santa said that you could open it early to put it on the tree.
What is that?
And Santa thought that we could watch those before we went to bed so you would sleep good.
Yay!
Hey, you. Love you.
I love you too.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.